Hi everybody, today is May 3rd, 2024. I'm finishing the week at 150,749, which is incredible. I'm really happy about that. And my 2-week total is 250,836. So $250,000 in 2 weeks. Now this is paper trading. I know it's paper trading. Doesn't really count, but you got to practice sometimes to improve. And I just took a week off last week and I decided to go 2 weeks for this. But it's been a good exercise and I'm glad I did it. I'm finishing today at 48,250. I really went for it today, and here we go. So the day starts off, and the price is pushing up. We had really weak economic news pre-market. The jobs market was bad, and the market is hoping that the Fed will take this as a cue to lower interest rates. So the market is a bit drunk here because going up a lot on bad news is odd, but that's the market for you. So anyway, I am long 60 contracts here. Now I'm long 80 contracts. Just want price to keep pushing up. This looks to be about a 50% retracement from the pre-market rush. And I hit flatten now, and I finally get out at $8,000. And I got out just in time because then the market went around the other way. So now I'm short. And I'm short 40 contracts. And I hit flatten out and I just get out. I'm at 8,750. I'm short again. I'm thinking we got a bit more gas in the tank there. Short 40 contracts. It's starting to pop up a little low, which is alarming. So I'm negative 7,000 on the trade. Need this thing to just drop a little bit just to get out the squeak. And I'm green 1,000. I'm red 1,000. I'm green 2,000. Finally gets me out, and I'm at 9,750. So 3 nice trades in a row. I'm almost at 10 grand, and I've only been trading for maybe 8 minutes. It's popping up now. It didn't seem to really want to drop, but it is popping up for sure. So I'm long 80 contracts. I'm up 4,500, 5,000. Click flatten now, and it gets me out really quick at 15,250. So, great start to the day. It's gone above my white line here. So for me, that's a very bullish signal. I'm long 20 contracts. I'm up 1,500. Click flatten now, and I'm out at 16,750. And we got a pullback here. So I'm going to go short 20 contracts. And I'm not going to stay too long here because the candles are gray. So I hit flatten now, and I just get out a little tiny bit, and I'm at 17,500. When the candles are gray, it means momentum is very low to none. Even though price is moving, it's not moving with a lot of oomph. Still falling though, so I'm going to go short again. I'm short 20 contracts, flatten now. So I'm at 16,250. There's that baby blue line, and we're getting to it, and it might just pop up off that. The nice big bounce. Plus, we're at the 50% retracement there if you look on the quadrant lines. But the candle did turn red though. This is the 1 minute chart now, but it looks like it wants to pop up. So I'm going to go 20 contracts here. So the candle's gone red, and I'm going long. I don't like that, but it's not really sinking too much. Up we go. I'm at 750, 250. I'm 80 contracts in, and the candles are still red and dropping. Well, that's not good. So I just need a little pop here, just enough to get out. 4,000 in the red, 5,000 in the red. but it's not dropping with gusto. It's not a panic. And it starts to pop up. I get some green. I'm 2,000 in the green, 3,000 in the green. Hit flatten, and I get out 19,500. So price is about to kiss that golden pocket, that dashed yellow line. I'm thinking it's going to bounce off that blue line, that 200 EMA here in the 2-minute chart. So I have gone long. I'm long 40 contracts. I'm up 2,700, 2,000 on the trade. Hit flatten now, and it gets me out. I'm at 26,750, and we have a change of color. It's a momentum shift, and I'm long, and I'm long hard at 80 contracts. I'm very confident this is a bounce point here. It's a rough start, negative 4,000. Oh, I finally get some green, 2,700, 37. Hit flatten now, and I am out at 29,500. And of course, I got out too soon. It's very difficult to be extremely surgical every single trade. You're just trying to capture the middle of the move. But I'm typically too early to get in and too early to get out. I need to phase shift myself over a little bit. So I'm long. It's looking like it wants to pop. Hit flatten now. I just want to get out with the squeak. Just get turned around real quick here. And I'm out at 29,250, a small loss. No biggie. It's actually not wise to take a position on the 200 EMA like that because it could have gone either way. It's a 50-50. In fact, it did drop, and I'm short 20 contracts, 40 contracts. I'm short 60 contracts, negative 500, negative 1,500, up 1,500, click flatten. I just want to get out here. So I'm at 28,750, and price popped up. See, I was short. It went the other way. A bit of volatility there. This is bullish though, because the bears got out of the way and it's only the bulls sticking around. I'm up 4 grand, 5 grand, and I'm at 33,750. So this is a 2-minute chart. I'm bullish. Just need this to rise up, but I'm mindful of that dashed line. It flattened now, and I'm at 33,500. See, on the left, we set that dash purple is VWAP, and it's a good bounce point. So I was long, and it may have gone the other way on me. So I just want to get a little bit of a teaspoon of profit there. So price is rising, but I'm mindful that it might hit that pink linear regression channel and bounce the other way. So I'm up 1,000, 1,200. Go to this chart. See, I about hit that purple line. It flattened, and I'm at 34,500. And I'm going to go short again. And I'm short. Thinking it's going to bounce down off that thick purple, a major Q. Hit flatten now. 3,000, 4,000, 6,000. It's bouncing. Waiting for Thinkorswim to get me out. Swearing up a storm. And I'm finally out, and I'm at 40,250. So I'm concerned about that pink line. So I'm going to go short. I'm thinking it's going to bounce down off that pink line, the linear regression channel. So I've gone short. I'm not going to stay too long, so I'm going against the trend. Price is rising, green candles, and I'm going short. I'm up 2,700. I hit flatten, and I'm now at 41,500. The candles are gone orange. It's momentum shift, and it's looking like it wants to drop. I'm not too comfortable going long anymore because we've gone up a lot on bad news, which is weird. So I have a bit of a short bias. I'm short 80 contracts, about $500 in the red, starting to see some green. Hit flatten now at 1,500. 500, 1500, 2500, and I'm out. I'm at $44,000 on the day. And as I thought, it hit that pink line and went the other way. So I just need another 4 or 5K to hit my $250,000 goal for the 2-week project. The price has fallen below what I call the major Q, and it looks like it's about to fall below my white line, my moving average. Should be very bearish, but it's not really, I don't see panic yet. There's no urgency to the move. And in fact, it turns around and up she goes. So I'm going to go long. I'm long 20 contracts, 40 contracts, 60 contracts. I'm up 1,500. It flattened now, and I'm just trying to get out with some gain here. And yep, that's think or swim for you. Up 1,500 and you end up with a loser. And of course we're hitting that pink line again, so I'm trying to thread a tiny needle here. Price is pushing up. The candle's gone green again. It's just showing some momentum and strength to the upside. So I'm going to go long. A momentum scalper. I just need some momentum just to grab a nice big spoonful. Up 1,000. 500. 0. I'm at 44,750. And again, there's that pink line. It's just driving me crazy today. And I'm showing that it's about to hit market open, which is a good reversal point because everyone can see that line. So I'm probably going to go short there. I'm short 20 contracts. I'm not going to stay too long because the candles are green and going up. I'm also saying it's going to bounce down off the pink. I'm hoping the pink and the market open. But I'm negative 4,000-ish. It's not going my way. I am short 80 contracts. I'm negative 1,000-ish on the trade. 250, negative 1,200. Up 750, hit flatten now, and I'm at $45,500 on the day. And it did bounce down. And you also see how the pink line has repainted itself. Probably going to go short. I do. I'm short 20 contracts. I'm up 250, 500, 750, hit flatten now. I'm at 45,750. Not too happy about that. I'm going to go short again. And hit flatten now, and I'm at 46,000. So I'm like 2,000 and some away from my goal. But see, it hit that acceleration band, and that's a very bearish area. I mean, price can certainly blow past it, but it's going to at least take a little breather the other way. And we can watch it here, just down she goes. Market's reacting to that minor Q. So I'm short. I'm short 40 contracts. I'm being skittish here because I'm so close to my goal and I don't want to blow it. I am short 60 contracts. I'm negative 3,000 on the trade. Don't like this. Negative 3,000, negative 4,000. I'm negative 80. I'm 80 contracts short. I'm negative 1,000, negative 2,000. At this point, I just want to get out because it didn't panic. It didn't plummet. So it's showing some legs here. I'm green 1,000, up 1,000, hit flatten now, and I am out at 48,000. And got out a little bit too soon. But I'm thinking it's going to bounce here. I just need to get to $250,000. Hit flatten now. I'm at 48,250. I made $250,000 in 10 days. It's paper dollars, but again, this is an exercise for me to expand my mind a little and try some new ideas. So here we are. Here are my 10 days. My first day, 10,563. There's an asterisk there. My first day I traded Dow Jones, but I trade DS, Standard Poor E-mini. So I didn't want to do that anymore. So I want to do what I'm comfortable with, the ES. So I had to trade ES to about 10K-ish to continue the project in ES. So there's about a $400 discrepancy there between what I actually did and what the YouTube video shows at 10,012 or something. I just wanted to explain that for you purists out there who do the math. But here are my 10-day totals, each week total, and my 2-week total, 250,836, which is about $6 million in a year. It's not enough to live on, but it's a start. Anyway, have a great day, everybody. Woohoo!